Machine is an Amana model NFW7200TW. Gets to minute mark 19, sits for about 10 minutes. The flash is error code ND. Installed new drain pump and cleared drain boot at bottom of drum. Found no obstructions. Still pulls error code. Machine will operate without close. Thoughts?
How old is your Amana appliance?
Maybe 5-6 years.
How long has this been going on with your Amana appliance? What have you tried so far?
4 days. Replace drain pump with new and check drain boot off bottom of drum. No obstructions.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. You will see phone call pop-ups. Know that I do not send those, the site does that, and if you do not want a $24 call, you can ignore those. Sorry to hear your washer is not draining, that is frustrating indeed. Note, I am not able to take calls.
No calls is fine.
And D is no drain error. Meaning that the control board thinks the water is not draining out. I see that you replaced the drain pump. Is the drain pump not coming on?
Drain pump works. Machine will not cycle past the 19 minutes mark rinse spin, on a normal wash cycle. It will run the whole cycle with no close.
Okay. Do then the water does drain out normally?
I checked the boot off the bottom of the drum. No obstructions. And I checked the pressure switch line. It too is clear.
Okay. So great things to check so far. It's odd that it will not show the error with no load in it.
Very weird. No other codes come up either.
For this issue, when you see the ND on the display, that means the control board still thinks the water is not draining out. Regardless of if there are clothes in washer or not. When you have clothes in washer, that will actually cause more pressure on the pressure switch and can cause issues if the pressure switch is not working correctly. So my thoughts on this is the pressure switch is faulty if the tube is not blocked. Link to pressure switch https://www.appliancepartsbros.com/whirlpool sensor pressure WP3400132 app 600084229.html. And if the pressure switch is not causing this, which I am pretty sure it is, then the main control board would be faulty and causing this issue. It has something to do with the increased pressure put on the pressure switch when you have a load in the basket.
Is there any way to bench test the switch to see if it is bad?
Since this issue only happens when you have a load in basket, that extra clothing will cause pressure on the switch. That is logically what would cause this, a faulty pressure switch. You can bench test switch. This video shows how testing works and how switch operates. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = 4 Erie Wib. It's a challenging issue though, since it only happens with a load in washer. But your causes would be pressure switch or control board.
I'll check it out. I'm at work now, so it won't be until later this afternoon. After I try it, I'll let you know if it worked or not.
There might also be a small leak in the pressure switch tube. And when added pressure is put on the tube, it can leak if the hole is a pinhole.
I looked at the whole line. Looks good. No chaffing or cracks. Still supple like a rubber line should be.
I have seen pressure switch issues caused by a pinhole. And tube can look new. Pinholes only leak when a certain amount of pressure is exerted on hole. If you have more questions for me, feel free to return. Otherwise, have a great rest of the day, be safe, and thank you for using JustAnswer.
Thanks.
Absolutely, you're most welcome.
Hi Mark, we spoke earlier today about a washing machine that would not cycle through the spin and rinse on an Amana machine, and we were going to check the pressure switch. How audible of a click should there be in the pressure switch when you back below to actuate the diaphragm?
You should hear it. I have no frame of reference of how loud it should be or how good your hearing is. You should hear the click is all I can say if you have normal hearing. Have a great day.
Yeah. It's more of a dull thud than a click. I'm going to have the switch looked at by a local shop today.
Would be a good idea. It sounds like the switch might be faulty to me.
Thanks for all the brainstorming. I think you might be right.
Absolutely, you're most welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.